Hi there, I'm Alicia Ungaro, and we're here at Real Pilates with my friend Emily, and we are going to be building you a 7-day course that you can perform anywhere, anytime. Today's routine is going to be 2 exercises. We're going to start with something called the standing footwork, which looks kind of like squats, and then move into push-ups. The push-ups will be your last exercise, the footwork will be your first. And on each day following today, we'll be inserting additional exercises, so your program will get longer and you'll get better. So let's start with our first move, which is the standing footwork. Take position on your mat, and you want your feet not quite hip width apart. We're going to start with our arms what I call genie style. So layer your forearms, and you're going to take a nice squat. It looks a little different than a regular squat in that I want your spine to be pretty straight. So go ahead and bend your knees, squat low, pull your abdominals in and up, and you're going to lean back quite far, so you really kind of stick your booty out there. That's great. And then come back up. In Pilates, we focus on 6 principles. The first one is control. So as you're doing this, I want you to really focus on control. Bend your knees and go down. Hold it for 3 seconds, for 2 seconds, for 1 second, and then squeeze your seat to come back up and repeat. Take it down, 2, 3. Hold it for 3, for 2, for 1. Squeeze your seat and come on up, and let's keep on going. Lower down, 2, 3. Each time you're going to increase that upper back arch. Each time you're going to go a little deeper into your heels. Come up, 2, 3. Lots of control here. Lower down, 2, 3. Squeeze everything you've got to hold it there. Lots of weight in the heels. Squeeze your quads and your seat to come up, 2, 3. And let's try one more. Lower down, 2, 3. Excellent. Arms are high. They're just in line with the shoulders. And now squeeze everything to stand up tall, and that's your standing footwork. The next exercise is our Pilates push-ups. So stay where you are, but bring your heels together and toes apart, and this we call Pilates position or Pilates stance, which is a good beginning for most of your exercises. I'm going to ask Emily to round all the way over and find the mat with her hands. And if your knees bend, that's totally fine. Walk yourself out to a push-up position. If you need to do these on your knees, that's fine. Otherwise, just hold the plank position. When you're strong enough, you'll be able to do push-ups in this position. Pilates-style push-ups are triceps push-ups, so the elbows will stay into the sides of the body. Hold your abdominals in, lots of control. Take a little bend with the arms. Come on up, and go again. Bend of the arms, and come on up, and one more. And come on up. Stop at the top, lift your hips, and walk your hands back to your feet. Take a stretch here, whatever works for your back, for your body, for your hamstrings. Let's do one more set. Walk on out. Find your plank position. Again, if you just stay here, that's great. If you stay here on your knees and do push-ups, that's also great. This is your goal. 3 push-ups. Elbows go back into the sides of the body and up. Squeeze your seat, lower down. And come up. Last one. Lower down. Come on up. Hit your hips high. Walk on back. Great. Find the mat with your heels. Take a little stretch. Excellent. Walk your way all the way back up to standing tall posture. And that's going to be our day 1 routine. So your standing footwork, the beginning of your program, and your push-ups are the end of your program. Tomorrow, we'll be adding more and building from there.